Assembly colleagues, we are proud to stand with you, Wisconsin Badgers. Governor Walker, you do not understand. Rights die hard in America. Rights die harder in the heartland. And we are not going to allow rights to ever die in the Badger State. Are we going to let Governor Walker win this war? And this is why. Please repeat after me. Badgers are strong.
Badgers are strong.
Badgers are proud.
Badgers are proud.
Badgers are righteous.
Badgers are righteous.
Badgers are fighters.
Badgers are fighters.
We will not rest.
We will not rest
until our rights are restored.
until our rights are restored.
We will not rest.
We will not rest
until our rights are restored.
until our rights are restored.
Can you hear us now, Governor Walker? You know, it's very clear. The governor does not want to hear us. You have seen it firsthand. He and the Fitz brothers, they've shut down our legislative hotline. They've shut off our assembly microphones. They've shut down the rules. They've even disgraced our laws of open government in Wisconsin. And they've even shut down our beautiful Capitol building, the House of Democracy. Are we going to allow this to continue? Governor Walker, can you hear us now? Thank you. Thank you. We can all be so proud of this state. We have had the largest, most peaceful, most amazing demonstrations here in Wisconsin you've seen anywhere in the world. Thank you, Wisconsin. You have all been so incredible. When they shut down those joint finance committee hearings, you joined my colleagues in the assembly, and we kept it going for over 140 hours. When they shut down our Capitol building, you brought hundreds of thousands of your friends and neighbors, and we marched on Capitol Square. When the Fitz brothers and Governor Walker tried to only give us 6 days to end our rights in Wisconsin, you continued it for another month. When we were weary in the late hours of that assembly debate, you gave us energy. We didn't just break the record for debate, we shattered the record for debate. Over 60 hours, and we'd still be talking if they didn't break the rules. Please join me in thanking my 38 Orange Shirt Brigade of Assembly Democrats for talking for 60 hours. Because we know you will not allow democracy to end in Wisconsin. No! as we look ahead to the days and weeks ahead, we've got elections. We've got court cases. We'll be back in the legislature. We will not end till our rights are restored. We know the road ahead will be bumpy at times. The battles won't always be easy. They'll have a lot of money from the David Kochs of the world. But we have you, the strong, the proud, the righteous, the Badgers. This fight is not over. Can you hear us, Governor Walker? Governor Walker, the fight has only just begun. Thank you, Wisconsin. Keep strong. Keep fighting. We will prevail.